That long-awaited renovation is finally complete. Move-in ready, says the contractor. What you never want to see at this stage of the game? Let's take a look. Okay, got some nice new cabinets, looking good. Good. Oh, what's that? Homeowner says there was a wire coming out of the ceiling, but no one knew what it was for. Interesting. Okay, let's keep going. Got these nice new doors and casings installed, painted, nothing wrong there. The door under the stairs seems to open smoothly as it should. Oh, well, that's going to limit some storage capacity. We'll just shut that door. No one can see it from the hallway side. Let's check out this bedroom. Bedroom door looks good. Probably should have turned that frown upside down. Into the unknown we go. Check out these double doors. Nice, wide, uneven gap all the way up. Operation of the doors looking good. Oh, a bit of a problem there. Nothing to worry about. Over to the second closet in this bedroom. Again, nice, steadily increasing reveals around the door. Just what you want to see. Another big wide-ass gap all the way up. Perfect. Coming into the home, we've got this nice, clean, smooth transition from the exterior door threshold to the new laminate click flooring. No sign of any problems here. A little moisture from the outside creeping under the floor shouldn't be a problem. The new laminate on the stairs screams quality. I just wonder why they didn't come all the way to the end of the stairs. I'm sure there's an easy fix for that. Making our way down the stairs, we've got this brand new door, and the 2x6 jamb seems to fit nicely into the opening. We've also got the new Decora switches installed, which is always a nice upgrade. However, this one looks like it may have had a tussle with the drywaller. Not sure who won that one. Let's just hope the power was off. Each of the new stair treads pushed up unevenly on the wall, just what you'd expect to see. And at the top of the stairs here, you can see the excellent unfinished edge of the flooring. Perfect execution once again. Okay, I've seen enough. We were called here to see if we could remedy some of this poor workmanship, and we're going to do our best to help the homeowner out. All I can say is wow. I've done hundreds of residential projects over the years, and I'll admit, once in a while you get a trade that doesn't have any pride in what he's doing. Maybe a carpenter, maybe a painter, but never have I seen this many areas of the trades in one project mess up so bad. All of these mistakes should have been addressed and corrected long before handing the keys over to the homeowner. This is why having a competent general contractor is so important. Someone that oversees the trades and can deal with these issues long before this stage. And I know a lot of homeowners want to save some money and be their own general. That's all fine. But if you don't know what you're doing, this is what can happen, and in the long run, you would have been better off just paying the extra fee to have the general. Now, if you want to subscribe, I can offer you this short video of a moose having a bite to eat on my lawn. If that doesn't do it for you, it's okay. Maybe I'll come across your homepage another time. If you have any comments about this video, leave them below, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.